Are you tired of combining different realistic footages to make sure AI videos? Let's be honest, guys, are you still doing something that takes a huge amount of time? Since technology emerges new features on a daily basis, you know that there must be some useful tools that help you to do this much more easily. What if you could turn your thoughts and stories into captivating visual narratives with just a few keystrokes? This is where the Synthesia AI comes into the stage for you. Imagine a world where your imagination meets cutting-edge technology, bringing your words to life through dynamic videos. With Synthesia AI text-to-video maker, the possibilities are endless. Experience storytelling like never before. Introduction. Synthesia AI text-to-video maker emerges as a transformative cloud-based AI platform. It grants users the ability to seamlessly produce lifelike narrated videos, leveraging text, images, and personal voice inputs. Well, you may wonder why this AI tool is worth trying. This will be the exact question we are going to cover in this video, after which you will be able to use this tool for your design, business projects, or whatever purpose you want to. This innovative tool transcends conventional video creation, offering a dynamic interface where creativity converges with cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for other intriguing facts that will be covered in the course of the video. Let's get started with 5 key features that distinguish Synthesia AI from other AI tools as AI video generator. 1. Multilingual marvels. Dive into a linguistic adventure with Synthesia's expansive library boasting over 140 languages for voiceovers. From widely spoken tongues like English and Spanish to lesser-known dialects and even constructed languages, the platform ensures your message resonates globally. With this linguistic versatility, you can effortlessly connect with audiences worldwide, breaking through language barriers like never before. 2. Avatar abundance. Embark on a journey of character creation with over 160 realistic AI avatars, each equipped with a diverse range of gestures and expressions. Whether you're seeking a professional presenter, a whimsical mascot, or anything in between, Synthesia's avatar selection offers unparalleled versatility. Elevate your storytelling with characters that breathe life into your narratives, engaging viewers on a deeper level and leaving a lasting impression. 3. Template treasure trove. Navigate creative challenges with confidence using Synthesia's extensive library of 60+ video templates. From sleek product showcases to engaging educational tutorials and heartfelt messages, these templates serve as invaluable starting points for your projects. With customizable layouts and styles, you can tailor each template to suit your unique vision, saving time while unleashing your creativity. 4. Avatar customization galore. Unleash your imagination and infuse your avatars with personality through Synthesia's robust customization options. From facial features and attire to gestures and mannerisms, every aspect of your characters can be fine-tuned to match your creative vision. With this level of customization, your avatars become more than just digital entities. They become compelling storytellers, connecting with audiences on a profound emotional level. 5. Smart scripting and collaborative editing. Empower your creative process with Synthesia's AI-driven script generation and collaborative editing features. Let AI handle the heavy lifting by generating compelling narratives based on your input, freeing you to focus on refining your story's message. Additionally, seamless collaborative editing allows multiple users to contribute to projects simultaneously, fostering teamwork and streamlining the production workflow. With Synthesia, realize your creative vision with efficiency and precision, creating narratives that captivate and inspire audiences worldwide. Tutorial. Embark on your creative journey with Synthesia's intuitive process. Begin by crafting your script, allowing your imagination to soar as you shape your narrative. Whether it's a gripping story, an informative tutorial, or a captivating advertisement, your words lay the foundation for your video. Next, select from a variety of templates or start from scratch for complete creative control. Choose the perfect AI avatar from over 160 options, each brimming with personality and ready to breathe life into your story. Then, effortlessly paste your script and witness as Synthesia's advanced AI seamlessly generates a lifelike voiceover that perfectly matches your chosen avatar's persona. Fine-tune your video with intuitive editing tools, adjusting timing, adding visuals, or refining transitions to ensure every detail reflects your vision. With Synthesia's user-friendly interface and powerful features, the creative process becomes an enjoyable journey of discovery. Delve into the depths of your imagination and unleash your storytelling prowess with ease. Finally, with just a few clicks, generate and publish your video, sharing your unique story with the world. Embrace the magic of video creation with Synthesia and let your creativity shine, captivating audiences far and wide. Experience the thrill of bringing your ideas to life in vivid detail and embark on a journey of boundless possibilities with Synthesia by your side. Now it is time to embark the pros of using Synthesia AI. Synthesia revolutionizes video creation with a myriad of advantages. Firstly, its time and cost efficiency streamline the production process, enabling creators to generate high-quality videos swiftly and affordably. Secondly, the platform's ability to produce multilingual video content effortlessly breaks language barriers, expanding audience reach and engagement. Thirdly, its versatility and customization options empower users to tailor videos to their specific needs and preferences, ensuring each creation is unique and impactful. Moreover, Synthesia's knack for crafting engaging and convincing visuals captivates viewers, enhancing brand perception and message retention. With these advantages combined, Synthesia emerges as a powerhouse tool for content creators, marketers, and educators alike, offering unparalleled efficiency, reach, and effectiveness in video production. How you can apply these advantages in your favor? Don't worry, we got you. Following lists will help you develop new ideas to grow your business by applying remarkable uses of Synthesia AI. 1. AI avatar integration. Synthesia seamlessly integrates AI avatars into its video generation process, eliminating the need for traditional actors or voiceover artists. By harnessing advanced artificial intelligence technologies, Synthesia empowers enterprises and tech businesses to create dynamic and engaging video content without the logistical challenges or costs associated with hiring human talent. 2. Enterprise-centric focus. Synthesia caters specifically to the needs of enterprise and tech businesses, recognizing their demand for efficient and scalable video solutions. These organizations often maintain extensive libraries of videos for various purposes, such as employee onboarding, training programs, product demonstrations, and customer support materials. Synthesia's tailored approach ensures that its features and functionalities align closely with the requirements and objectives of these businesses, offering a comprehensive solution for their video production needs. 3. Scalability and efficiency. With Synthesia, enterprises and tech businesses can scale their video production efforts effortlessly. Whether they need to create hundreds or thousands of videos for internal or external use, Synthesia's automation capabilities streamline the process, significantly reducing the time and resources required for content creation. This scalability and efficiency allow organizations to maintain a consistent and high-quality video presence across various communication channels and platforms. 4. Versatile applications. Synthesia's AI video generation platform offers versatile applications across a wide range of business functions, from employee training modules to product walkthroughs, customer how-to guides, and promotional content. Synthesia empowers businesses to communicate effectively with their target audiences through engaging visual storytelling. Its flexibility enables organizations to adapt their video content to suit different purposes and audiences, maximizing the impact of their communication efforts. 5. Enhance engagement and accessibility. By leveraging AI avatars and dynamic visuals, Synthesia enhances engagement and accessibility within enterprise and tech businesses. The use of lifelike avatars and compelling visuals captivates viewers' attention, making complex information more digestible and memorable. Additionally, Synthesia's multilingual capabilities ensure that businesses can reach a diverse audience, breaking down language barriers and expanding their global reach. However, nothing is perfect, right? We need to mention about areas which need further improvements because it is possible to have the scenarios in which generated outcomes may not fit into category that you want. 1. Unrealistic avatars. Synthesia's avatars, while technologically advanced, often fall short in portraying realistic human emotions and expressions. Their limited range of facial expressions fails to convey the depth of emotion needed to engage viewers effectively. As a result, the videos produced may come across as robotic and clinical, lacking the human touch necessary for genuine connection and engagement. 2. Lack of media blending. One of the key drawbacks of Synthesia is its inability to seamlessly blend different media elements. When avatars attempt to synchronize their facial movements with variables and phrases in the script, the process can be clunky and unnatural. This lack of smooth integration between audio and visual components detracts from the overall quality of the videos, compromising their effectiveness in delivering the intended message to the audience. 3. Limited emotional range. Despite advancements in AI technology, Synthesia's avatars struggle to convey a broad spectrum of human emotions convincingly. From subtle facial expressions to nuanced gestures, the avatar's portrayal of emotions often appears stiff and lacking in authenticity. This limitation hampers the ability of the videos to evoke empathy and resonance with viewers, diminishing their impact and effectiveness in conveying complex or emotionally charged messages. 4. Artificial speech patterns. Another challenge posed by Synthesia's AI-generated videos is the artificiality of the speech patterns exhibited by the avatars. As they attempt to mimic human speech, the avatars may exhibit unnatural pauses, intonations, or cadences, further contributing to the overall sense of robotic delivery. 5. Improvement opportunities. Despite these limitations, there is room for improvement in Synthesia's technology. By investing in research and development efforts aimed at enhancing avatar realism, refining speech synthesis algorithms, and improving media blending capabilities, Synthesia could address some of the key challenges outlined above. Additionally, soliciting feedback from users and incorporating their insights into product development processes can help Synthesia evolve and better meet the needs and expectations of its target audience. If you are having any sort of problems related to generating AI media, check out our extensive collection of AI media generator playlist, where you can broaden the context of your media generation techniques. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this in the future. See you next time.